Yeah, this is what that you need to be value betting way thinner than you are at the moment, I think. Is a very, very good takeaway. Also, you see, like, just always having the ability to improve is very important. So Jack 8, when it blocks a lot of the good hands, and also it can improve, you want to bet King Deuce pure check-in. Like, that's kind of like probably more people would bet King 3 more than they would Jack 8, I think. Very, very naturally. Ace is pure betting B70. That looks very, very reasonable. What are the other hands I gave? Queen Jack with Queen of Clubs. Yeah, so actually when we just have Jack 10 and Jack 8, blocking the turns 10-8 is just pretty important. Yeah, exactly. You're going to get value from 10-9, Jack 8, 10-7, 9-8. You're going to get these hands value from these hands on the turn and then check back the river.